How to make mouse wheel scroll the less pager using bash and gnome-terminal? I have two computers with the latest Fedora. On the first, I'm using ZSH and the mouse wheel can be used with the less pager within gnome-terminal to scroll the pager. On the second, I use bash and the mouse wheel scroll the terminal history, not the pager. The shell shouldn't make any difference. Why can't I use the mouse wheel to scroll in the second case? To illustrate what it does, imagine I have a document like this. And I have a two-line terminal. If I use less, I get on the screen. The mouse wheel cannot scroll further down. If I scroll upwards, I get the bash prompt history. Now I use the page down key to get to the bottom of the document, I get on screen. Scrolling upwards gets me. And GT.
The computer where less scrolled had less equals R, the other had less equals *x8. From the less man page. Q or quiet or silent. Causes moderately quiet operation. The terminal bell is not rung if an attempt is made to scroll past the end of the file or before the beginning of the file. .NBSP. If the terminal has a visual bell, it is used instead. .NBSP. The bell will be rung on certain other errors, such as typing an invalid character. .NBSP. The default is to ring the terminal bell in all such cases. X or no init. Disable sending the term cap initialization and deinitialization strings to the terminal. .NBSP. This is sometimes desirable if the deinitialization string does something unnecessary, like clearing the screen. The X option prevented scrolling altogether and the Q option caused the pager to enter a non-scrollable state when scrolling past the beginning or end of file. My options are now less equals *8.
For those who are as a newbie like me, you have to enter the following to your terminal. Or use this. You can use manless to see the difference. To have the effect persist, you can add this line to your ~bash and reopen your terminal.
I didn't know why, but unsetting this var does it. Other suggested answers however don't work. Les V gives the following.
Servers,